Hello everyone! Welcome to our vlog. Today, we're going to show you how proudly we are to recite the mission, vision, and the 6 core values of the best MSCAT. This represents who we are as students and remind us of our purpose and goals. And after that, we're also gonna sing the best MSCAT hymn, a song that expresses our love, pride, and respect for our beloved institution. So come join us as we show unity and school spirit.
Vision, a globally competitive university in agricultural and
Technological innovation for socio-economic transformation.
Mission, provide quality, accessible data-driven and international state education.
To produce academically prepared, skills-equipped, values-laden, and leadership-honed graduates that are lifelong learners.
To sustain partnership with sectoral, local, and international institutions for academic,
research, production, and community-based endeavor.
Core values.
Care, collaboration.
Communication, commitment.
Client focus and continual improvement.
we are thankful we were blessed upon the islanders, a part of wisdom is the tower of hope, a freedom to build, a knowledge to nurture, a calling is going till our dreams come true. The best in culture, alma mater, our bright and honor like golden grace. You know us like a river flows, going through to our vision. But mountain ranges as a motherless and speak of our creation. Loyalty, full of love, is treasure forever. We wait forever till we leave this world.